I have tested dozens of AI generators and they all share one similar painful problem. They drain your wallet. I am going to show you one of the cheapest ways to access the best AI models, and what I like about this website that I'm about to show you, it escapes the entire subscription fatigue. So instead of having to jump through multiple websites, multiple subscriptions, you get it all in one place. As always, I will have a link in the description below, but today we're talking about Pixverse AI. On their main page, you have all these different categories and you can actually see different things that people are generating. So you can see cinematic narratives, ad magic, you can see like GPT Image 2, you can see all sorts of fun things that people are actually using Pixverse to generate. And what's really cool, along the bottom, you can see this like little bar everywhere where you are. Let me like zoom in so you can actually see the page a little easier. And now we can actually click here and you can see all the different models that you have access to. So there is the Pixverse model, which is their own, but then you also have access to Seedance 2.0 and Happy Horse and Kling and Grok Imagine and VO3 and Sora 2. So you have access to all the best models in one location. And then we can go to Image and you have the same exact type of idea. So again, you have like Kling Image, Nanobanana 2, GPT Image 2, Dream 5, Kling O3, like all the top models are here in one spot. So we're going to start off with Dream 5.0 Lite, and we're going to upload our own image, and we have our image of AI Dana uploaded. And if you don't know, that's the AI version of my wife. So we can actually add a prompt, generate this woman as a soccer card representing Team Canada for the World Cup. And what's cool, on the right, you can actually see exactly how many credits it will take. So now we have our image that we generated, and this was using our Dream 5.0 Lite. And you can see the model here. So there's our card. It looks pretty good. And you can see our prompt. You can see everything. If I move myself over again, you can actually see we can edit our image or we can turn it to video. We can use a template. We can do transition. We can reference it for other stuff. So say we said, let's edit image. You can actually see we have added the image down here. And now we can bring this into another model really that quickly, that easily. If we go back to our image, and this time around we said video, you're going to see at the bottom, we have our image that is now uploaded. So we can literally jump from one model to the next. So we're going to actually use the Pixverse model here, and I have a prompt. The lady jumps out of the soccer ball card and kicks the soccer ball towards the camera, and we can hit generate. And here is the end result. So you can actually see our AI Dana jumps out of the card, ball gets kicked towards the camera. So it follows the prompt and it is really cool. I love the fact that we're able to generate an image and then take that image and use it to generate a video all on the same website without downloading, uploading. We can flip around between all the top tier models. It's pretty neat. Now, what I also like is templates, and I think templates are really cool. So let's start off by uploading our AI Dana, and you can see because I have her uploaded before, she's just ready to go. She's just there. Now we can go to templates and you can see we have access to a ton of different templates. You can scroll through, you can see all the different templates that exist. There are a lot. You can also go by like star selection, dance party, parallel life, portrait photo. It just goes on and you can see how many exist. There are tons of different templates that you can just like quickly use. So let's go with like the World Cup glory, just because it seems kind of fun, and you can see all the different ones. So like tunnel to the game, so we can click that, and now we can actually just hit create. You can see AI Dana, her face, it zooms out and it's her walking onto the field with her soccer ball. So you can see it is really cool how fast you can use these templates to make videos. And then anything you see on the screen. So say you said, okay, I want to use something with this one or that one. I can actually click it. And now on the right, I can upscale it, I can extend, I can even click modify, and now I have access to make changes to the video I saw on the homepage that was trending. Now, before I get into costs, and I'm going to cover that extensively, I want to show you some of the other features they have real quick. So you can do like reference photos, again, template, you can do transitions, you can extend videos, you can do modification, you can do motion control, speech, and then they also have all these like little mini apps of different things you can do. So there are so many different features all in one place. They even also have an agent that they are working on. Now let's talk about price. So they have the top tier models, but where it gets really interesting is the math for the models. So we have standard at $8 a month, we have pro, premium, and ultra, and it's really cool. You can see the credits and everything like that, but it's the unlimited image and video usage that you get on relaxed mode. So you get access to unlimited videos and image generation. And truthfully, I hate how websites use credits because it's hard to track the real cost, but I did all the math for you. And I did create an entire calculator, the AI generation calculator, that tells you the exact price for each one and when it is a better deal. So we have images here. If you're generating like 470 images per month, you think, hey, this is how many I'm going to generate. You can see Pixverse standard is the best way to go. And it shows you exactly, okay, there's 600 fast images that you can get for your $24, and it is the best value. You can go like lower and you can see, okay, Pixverse Pro, you can see all the different things depending on how many images you want to generate. And I have done the same thing with videos. So if you're generating over 200 videos, then Pixverse Max wins. So this is just a fun little experiment to see how it matches up against like the standard subscriptions. In my opinion, if you're only going to generate a couple of images and videos per month, and you just want to try out like the newest models that are being released, then the Pixverse standard is probably your best deal because it is $8 a month. You get enough to just try out different models. If you're generating mass amounts of content, then definitely the premium or ultra is a better deal than buying just from Kling or just from ChatGPT or just in Gemini to generate your images and videos. And part of that is the unlimited during relax mode that they offer. Pixverse is the best bet if you want to keep it user friendly. If you know how to program and you want to use APIs, API calls directly will offer you the best value overall. But for like a user-friendly, something really easy to access, really easy to use, Pixverse offers a very good deal. So if you want to try Pixverse, check out the link in the description below, because even as a free account, you can click earn credits and you can get 60 credits per day for just logging in. So you can just try and generate stuff completely free. You're getting access to all the top models. So which top tier model are you generating with? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Is it Seedance or GPT Image 2? Or is it Happy Horse? Let me know what your thoughts are. I just love that you can like use all these different templates and start modifying and then like jump from like one to the next all on one platform, all with these different models. I just think the entire UI is super user-friendly and it's just really neat. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest and greatest AI. Let me know what your thoughts are. And after doing this video, I am considering making an addition to the Franklin 8 website where I'm going to try to normalize all the pricing of different websites and credits down to show you the best deals, the best values that are out there. If you guys want to see that, also let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest and greatest AI. It's completely free. Go click the subscribe button. Like the video. Tell Lauren you enjoy this type of content. You want to see more of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
Right there, AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free. Just come and see at franklinai.com where you're meant to be.